And now we come to present the Shipyard and Ship Repair Facility of the Year, sponsored by Sikkel Logistic. And here are the finalists. Upworthy Marine Engineering Daman Shipyard Sharia, Dry Dock World Dubai, Encom and Oman Dry Dock Company. And to reveal who the winner is, please welcome on stage President and CEO of Sikkel Logistic, Captain Ramesh.
I was just wondering, someone started the selfie business, and I thought it was a done thing.
No, it's still on, you know.
So should we do
Unlucky
it?
for me, okay? But
Wonderful. Where's that?
I doesn't know how it works.
Let's try.
Wait a minute. I will help you. Here you go. Oh, no. Here
that's
we
it.
are.
Wow. Thank you, Rud. Let's get this sorted out.
Yes.
I guess as much. Nakilat, Keppel Offshore. Congrats.
And here to receive the award from Encom CEO Chandru Raivani. Yes, sir. Aye. Congratulations to the team of Encom.